Welcome back. Now a glance at various events held in the state.
Employees State Insurance Corporation is celebrating 60 years of social security service. ESIC branch office on the occasion of Diamond Jubilee year will be organizing a felicitation conclave. Assistant Director of Maharashtra Information Center Dr. Ganesh Mule briefed press on Wednesday. Marathi Language Department of Maharashtra Government will hold Granthotsav 2011 at Mahalakshmi Mandir Hall in Panji from 27 to 29th of this month. Various programs will be held across the state. Ramakant Khalab will inaugurate the program on 27 December. Kudsade Municipal Council felicitated freedom fighters on Liberation Day at Kudsade. Former chairperson of municipality were also felicitated on the occasion. Outstanding school students were also felicitated. Rath Yatra was organized to mark Liberation Day by Swabhiman Sanghe. Sanghe cars joined the rally with 2 and 4 wheelers. It travelled from Zambauli and culminated at Sanghe Market. The yatra was led by President of Swabhiman Sanghe, Subhash Fardesai. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The ultimate cosmetic and eye clinic, Vanda's Eye and Skin Solutions, will open shortly at Panji. This is the first of its kind in the state. This clinic promises professional solution for skin and eye care.
Dr. Vanda Alemao Dangle and Dr. Praveen Dangle announced their new venture, VES. Vanda's Eye and Skin Solution will be open in Panji. VES will have a dedicated skin and eye care solution to common people.
All my treatments will fit into everybody's budget. So there shouldn't be this, this stigma that, oh, it's going to be very expensive. It is not. Come to the clinic. I mean, there are many things, okay, because Churchill's daughter is opening, it's going to be expensive. There's nothing like that.
Dr. Praveen Dagle, an eye specialist, claims that there is no need to travel abroad for eye treatment. The clinic will treat patients with modern technology.
Same kind of equipments and the same services which are available outside India also. So we want to give the same services with the same equipments to people of Goa.
Both the families, Alemaus and Dangles, are happy with new venture, VES. A reporter from Barnavali, Savio Daesh.
Now news from sports. Fiercely competitive sport of boxing has now also assumed a much entertaining avatar with the World Series Boxing. The Mega 12 Team International competition is being played on the franchisee's model and draws an enthusiastic crowd on the match days. Goa's most experienced boxing administrator Lenny De Gama is the manager of the India's team in the competition. Prudent caught up with Lenny to know more about the WSB.
Each team has 5 boxers participating in a match. We have the bantamweight boxer, that is 54 kgs. Then we have the lightweight boxer, which is 61 kgs. Then we have the middleweight boxer, which is 73 kgs. Then we have the light heavy, which is 85 kg, and heavyweight boxer, which is 91 kgs and above. Now this is a professional style of boxing, wherein the boxer boxes without headgear and without vests, and each bout comprises of 5 rounds of 3 minutes each. And here you see very robust boxing, very attacking boxing, unlike amateur boxing, which is a very sober type of boxing. And amateur boxing runs 3 rounds of 3 minutes each. AIBA has come up with this concept, which is giving more publicity and more coverage to boxing, and is giving a boxer an opportunity to earn some money.
The competition is run on home and away model with top 4 teams in each group qualifying for the playoffs. It will be followed by quarterfinals, semi-finals and finals. Venky's Mumbai Fighters represent India in the competition, which is endorsed by the International Boxing Federation. The other teams in India's group are Bangkok Elephants, Astana Arlans, Los Angeles Matadors, Milano Thunder and Moscow Dynamo. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.